శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతరాజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi disclosing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Saunaka, Vidura came down to Hastina. Dharmaja and everyone received Vidura very well and gave him a beautiful simhasanam, and now everyone sitting around Vidura while Vidura is relaxing in his simhasanam." Now Dharmaja is saying to Vidura so that everybody can also listen to it. "O Viduradeva, we all been raised under your vision. You know that as how many of troubles myself and my brothers, my mother, we all went through. Kauravas, they even fed us poisonous rice. Kauravas, they put fire to our home. In all these troubles, you are the one who saved all of us. O Viduradeva, now please tell us, where did you go and what are all the places that you have visited? Kaya, Vrutya, Vartitam, Tirthani, Kshetra Mukhyani. How did you spend all these years and what are the places that you visited? O Viduradeva, Bhavadvidha Bhagavataha. You are such a great devotee. You are known as Bhagavatottama. I realize that wherever such great Bhagavatottamas goes, with their touch of their feet, those places gets purified. And whenever someone visits that kind of places, their sins will be completely washed off. To that extent, these Bhagavatottamas, Bhagavad Bhaktas, the divine feet has power. Such is your power, O Viduradeva. You always have a visualization that Paramatma is there within your own heart. Svantasthena Gada Bhruta. Because your heart is very pure, Paramatma Gadadhari more willing to, more happy to stay within your heart. That is how you all become very great. Also, O Viduradeva, in your visiting places, in the process of visiting so many places, definitely you might have visited Dwaraka. Definitely you might have visited Sri Krishna Paramatma. And all the people in Dwaraka, they all believe in Krishna Paramatma as Krishna is supreme. So they are all my bandhavas, they are all my known people, relatives. How are they doing, Vidura? You might have visited all of them. Sukhama sate. Are they happy? Are they happily serving Krishna there? Oh Viduradeva, please tell us everything related to all your visiting places and also about Dwaraka. Then Vidura is telling so many things to Dharmaja, but he did not mention anything about Dwaraka, anything about Sri Krishna Paramatma, anything about Yadukulam, the dynasty of Krishna Paramatma, Vina Yadukulakshayam, because that entire dynasty got destroyed. Vidura is not at all mentioning about that to Dharmaja, but he said so many other things. After that, because Vidura did not mention those things to Dharmaja, why? If he gets to say that, Dharmaja and everybody will start crying. Vidura cannot see Dharmaja and other people crying anymore. That is why he did not say anything about Yadukula Nasanam, that destruction of Yaduvamsam to Dharmaja and other people. But he just stayed over there, Kanchit Kalam, because all the people, he likes them very much. They all like him very much. Vidura spent so many months over there. Everybody started respecting Satkruto Devavat. Everybody worshipping, revering, respecting Vidura Deva, just like just like Deva Purusha. Like that, Vidura spent so many days, and also Vidura wanted to do some kind of favor to Dhritarashtra while he is staying in Hastina. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.